All right, welcome back to Google Skill Shop, Google Mastery. We're in the Measurement Skill Shop certification. I believe we are in the last section of the last activity, potentially. All right, I need to mute or okay. Sorry, I had to turn my do not disturb on. There we go. I think we're in the last section. Yesterday we probably finished up the section on attribution, incrementality, and marketing mix models, and they all are synergistic, work together. They compound each other. It's a flywheel, as a lot of things are in business growth. What would the next activity have been? What would the next activity have been? AI. Something with AI. Yeah, AI. It's like grow with AI powered audience solutions. Audience something. Audience networks. So we learned about what would it have been? Audience tags? No, audience. Something that groups audiences. Interests, but not quite. This is audience something. Signals. Audience signals. These are behavioral or demographic signals. The old school method was using interest targeting, which was restrictive, but now AI uses audience signals to improve performance. Man, what was audience signals? Like signals that show or help to determine which audiences are most valuable. This has been a little bit of a weird section so far for me. Drive performance with AI-powered audience solutions. Audience signals about who your most valuable audiences are. Old school, likes, X, restrictive, audience target, signal targeting. You can still collect third-party data. Audience signals outside of the European Economic Association or area probably. All right, so what I'm going to do now is jump back into the Skillshop course. I'm going to do my best to potentially finish this activity, but determine what this activity is really about, and I'll be back to recall the day. Maybe the last day of activities today, we'll see. All right, that's it. Last activity has been completed. What the heck? Is this fully framed or not? All right, I don't know what that was, but this last activity really was about audiences. That's really what it was about. We got 2 audience solutions that were listed: optimized targeting and customer match. Okay. So these are not reliant on third-party cookies. These are mostly on first-party data now. Optimized targeting, this is a little confusing to me because it sounds just like automated smart bidding. Maybe it's within smart bidding. It's just about essentially acquiring clients or acquiring conversions using audience signals to help you further optimize performance and cost per conversion. It seems like sounds like smart bidding to me. Customer match is like where you have a audience such as existing customers, and you can target existing customers to engage them. You can target former customers to re-engage them, or you can target lookalike audiences, essentially new customers that are probably similar to your current or former list. Gosh, I would have to take it out. So really, audience signals I think this is just, I said what are audience signals? I think it's just data collected about a given audience. I don't know about that actually. It's information that helps group people in audiences maybe. And then I said, how is optimized targeting different than automated bidding? So these are questions I have that someday in the future I'll answer. That's it though. We've completed all the activities. So I had a little bit of a hard time on the check your knowledge. I actually missed it because you had to get all of them right, and I missed one, and then I was like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do then. Like, I don't know what I did wrong, so then you have to try it again. There's like 5 or 6 questions. So, but I think I got a little bit of understanding better now. It's if it's talking about like optimizing cost per conversion or performance, we're talking optimized targeting. And if it's talking about like a group, an audience, and retargeting or re-engaging or targeting a lookalike audience or a new audience that's similar to current audience, that's going to be customer match. So tomorrow we'll hopefully pass the Google Analytics certification, which would give us the second Google Skill Shop certification along with the search ads. I'll have Google Analytics. I'm considering doing Performance Max next, but before I get into the next Skill Shop certification, what I'll probably do is log in, create an account on Google Analytics, integrate that with my Google Ads, kind of explore, make sure Google Ads is still doing okay, see if there's anything I can do to improve Google Ads. And then after I've done everything I can do hands-on, learn from hands-on, we'll continue that series. After that, I'll go into the next certification course, which is I would like to do is Performance Max certification. After that, I would like to do optimizing for offline conversion certification. So that's it. Believe it or not, that is it for today. Tomorrow hopefully will be the last day of the certification course. Talk to you then. See ya.